I was fixing the machine next to this. A fella come up and tried both of the machines. Neither of them would take 20p coins, and this is why. They're just thick with dust inside, not being maintained, not being wiped, you know, as they should be on each visit. And this explains why the coins are falling through. This one's got an alert C and D on the payout, and I think it was just it seemed quite sticky. I think it's just needed a spray on it. Again, that should have been obvious to the operator really when they just open the door and check the change that there's an alert issue on there. I just give it a little bit of a spray with a degreaser cleaner, you know, a glass cleaner, and put it back. But it should be checked every time, you know, the coin mech. It's the heart of the machine. If that's not working, well, it's not going to do anything, is it? There's no other issues with that, so I just put the cassette back. Just made sure all the coins will drop, which they did. And then had to go at cleaning yeah, keep an eye on that. Is a bit, seems a bit slow, but it is working. I see. I don't know why that was there on the floor. There's a couple of coins on the floor, so I don't know. They're missing the coin chute. Just look out for that. So now we need to clean the validators properly. This, you know, they can't read the coins if it's like that. So there we go. Bit of a wipe. Excuse the dirty fingers. Just use hot water from the machine, and it's a mixture of grease because the site that this on, the site that's on, I think everyone's got dirty hands, so there is grease and muck and that on it. All the more reason it should be looked at more. Can you say good as new?